Hey everyone, Mr. Terrell here with your e-learning lesson for today. Today we're going to talk about the role of technology and innovation in agriculture. And technology has driven agriculture for several decades now, and it's only going to continue to play a larger role in the future moving forward. So hopefully you've watched the previous two videos. The first was the TED Talk there where she was talking about how a food crisis could be on the horizon if we don't act. And it just drives home the sense of urgency that we have when it comes to making our food production system more sustainable and more efficient uh, in the coming years. So if you haven't watched that video, go back and watch that. You don't have to watch the whole thing, just the first 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And then you should have watched the second video, which was the uh, Journey 2050 technology and innovation video. And that video discussed several of the technologies in both plant and vegetable production as well as animal production that are on the horizon, as well as some potential new sources of food, particularly protein, that we could potentially start to utilize on a larger scale. And you might want to go back and watch that video a few times just so you can get the full scope. They kind of go rapid fire and cover several different technologies. So in order to get the full feel for all those technologies, you might want to watch that video a few times. It's only about 5 minutes. It shouldn't take you that long. So normally we would do this as a group. We would, discuss these things, but obviously we're not in a group. So I want you to just think to yourself, of those technologies that you saw in that second video, which innovation do you think is going to be the most impactful and why? Which one is going to make the biggest difference in the future when it comes to supplying food for our planet? And also, what are some pros and cons of using these technologies? Obviously, there's no such thing as a perfect technology. There's good and there's bad. It's simply a matter if the pros, outweigh the cons. And tell me what you think some of the pros are, as well as what some of the cons are. Just think to yourself on those ideas. And from there, that's going to bring you to what your actual assignment is today. So I want you to uh, identify the technology that you think is going to be the most impactful, and then I want you to answer these questions. Here it says create a digital presentation. I'm not going to ask you to do that. I've simply put these 4 questions on Canvas, and I want you to answer those questions on Canvas. You don't have to worry about a digital presentation. So first of all, describe it. How is it used? Where is it used? How much does it cost? Where is it currently being used in agriculture? How many people are using it? That type of thing. And what are the benefits? What are the positive aspects of this innovation? What benefits does it offer? Does it make production more efficient? Does it reduce agriculture's environmental footprint? What are the benefits of the technology that you selected? What are the limitations? Like we said, there are pros and cons with all technologies. So what are the limitations? Is it expensive? Is it an efficiency aspect? Is it not as accurate as it should be? What are the downsides, the downfalls of that particular technology? And then finally, uh, I want to see it in action. So find an image or a demonstration video of the technology in action. So show me the technology, what it looks like, and what it looks like in practice. So that is your e-learning assignment for today. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to me via email. Otherwise, thanks and have a great day.